Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the use of the editing toolbar for polygon features on the newly updated AutoMeasure platform. This editing toolbar enables you to create surface spaces such as flooring coverage or drywall areas. To start, begin by editing the takeoff, which will reveal all the editing tools. When you click on the polygon feature, all the relevant polygon features appear at the top. Let's break down each feature. Adding a polygon is simple. Just click and right-click to add any angular polygon. But what if you want to add a ring, which also acts as a cut hole, to remove a specific portion of the polygon you've created? Or, if you need to add a rectangle anywhere in the takeoff, you can use the rectangle option. If you need to edit something specific, like changing the size of the polygon you've created, you can easily do so using the Modify segment. Similarly, if you want to add a rectangular hole, which also acts as a cut hole but in a rectangular shape, you can do that too. If you wish to merge polygons, simply click on Merge to combine them. By clicking on these three dots, you can access the Modify Vertex option. If you need to modify any vertex, you can adjust it accordingly. This is a brief overview of how to use the editing tools for polygon features. We hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.